on, Hannah. I believe in you. Woo, almost.
You better believe in me. Believe in me.
Oh, yeah. I believe in Courtney, too. Hey, Courtney. I believe in you. Is that your one pin?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Look at how Hannah throws this. What was that? It went right into the gutter. Here you go.
Roll all the long, sweet Susie. You just didn't get my Kung Pao quote. And rock and roll all the long, sweet Susie. Hey, Courtney.
That was it right there. What? Kiana. Score. I like 51 so far. I'm not doing that.
Whoa. Right in the gutter. Okay, if you're gonna do that, you could at least
That sucks. So angry right now. I can't believe I just missed that. It's ridiculous. You better. This is Jessica. She's ordering us food because, you know, she's such a sweetheart. Oh, wait, watch out. We gotta watch Hannah. No, I'm video recording. Do you mind?
No, I don't mind.
Okay, because I was totally gonna do the whole thing if you did. I'm like, oh shit. I was supposed to ask everybody, but I didn't.
Like this, expect you to take a picture.
You look cute anyways.
It's already 7 o'clock.
Really? Yeah, look. Ah, crap. It's only 7. Wait. Hannah. Holy crap, Hannah. You just got a freaking spare.
Bleh. I didn't even hit anything on the first one. See, look at that. Nothing.
Yeah. Ready for it? Ready for it?
Dance.
I'm not dancing.
This is a dance of belief. I didn't believe in you enough.
I don't think you did.
You need to believe in me harder, though.
I know.
I'll try.
We should make shout outs. Hi, Glass. How are you? I miss you a lot, and you know I love you so much. But yeah, I got a bowl, so.
Okay, on your mark. Good set. Go. Oh snap, oh snap. Oh snap.
I gotta watch this later and see how I do this. Hannah's turn again. And it's Jessica's turn. How are you doing? How are you doing, Courtney? Not good?
No.
Good? I'm sure you're doing fine.
Hey, I hope we get
Got her.
the again like it did that one time. I didn't even hit it.
Oh, that'd be really cool.
One.
I only got 68.
I only like 41.
I'm terrible. Hannah's kind of terrible too, but that's okay. It's okay because we're trying. It's a trial run. Hannah, that was so bad. It was so bad.
You know what? This isn't a sport.
It is a
Sadly, it is.
Hey Courtney, hey Courtney, hey Courtney.
What? It's a video, I already know.
Taking your picture.
You got it? You're stupid.
Oh, stop!
At the homecoming football game, I saw Trey Neal dancing like this. It was so Trey is so ridiculous.
Ready? You can do it! Oh, I should have believed in you more.
It happens. Hey now. got
Look how much
76.
I believed in you compared to you believing
See,
in
the
me.
highest you got was like 111, you said, and that doesn't suck, you know? It doesn't suck.
It does suck.
No, that's a pretty good score on my in my book. Watch how she does this. It's like Hannah Dren's amazing technique. Oh, dude, that was awesome. Woo!
What can I say? It's fine.
There's Hannah's score so far. Woo! We'll see my score in a bit because I know you're all wondering. How'd you do, Courtney? No? Hannah!
You're like zooming on my boobs, like you're like, oh.
Oh, my apologies. Have you ever done your finger smash?
Yes.
That sucks. I hate it so much. Okay.
Ready? On your mark, set, go.
Shut up.
You know what? I'm gonna make them see how you do that.
Oh. Okay, alright. I only have like 2 more to go. That sucks. It's not fair. You have to do like.
Yeah, I know. No worries. This is how Kiana bowls. Making fun of how I bowl. Snap, you only hit one.
Oh, dude, that sucks. I was so happy to turn around and be like, what? I'm so cool. I only got 1. I like your makeup today. It looks really nice. Yeah. Any shout outs?
For $1 at the dollar store, and
Really?
it's like, and it's not the only color. It's, I think it was like $1.50, but they're like 4
Oh,
bright
sorry.
colors.
How'd you do?
I think you did see that one.
Oh, dude, you did get
I
0.
haven't started bowling yet.
Get me?
Hey, shout out to somebody.
Where is this going? Is this going on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, hi Kyle.
Oh, Hannah, no. That was straight to the car. That was.
I was kind of hoping for the other, like a strike like that one time.
54.
Look at these awesome shoes.
Oh yeah. I'm wearing these all day.
That sounds like it'd be off the Kung Pao.
What?
That sounds like it'd be off the Kung Pao. I'd be wearing these all day. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, baby.
You think you didn't get that? Oh wait, you good to go again.
Oh, I do? Oh
Yeah.
crap. Okay.
Because it's on the last one. If you get a strike on the 10th one, you get to go again. If you get another strike, you get to go again, I think. But you don't need the extra points.
Who's winning?
She did. Yeah, look, it says X5.
X5. What is X? Is that like Mach 5 or something?
I have no idea. So, okay, like, you get to go again, I think, yeah. Aim for us.
That was so.
that was the best, like, freak out ever.
Terrible. Oh, the game's finished. Oh, hey, I got 100.
Oh,
That's so
snap.
cool.
That's exactly perfect. Because if you didn't get that 5, you would have been. Woo!